How to create a paid event in the Paysera Tickets Platform. To create a paid event in the Paysera Tickets Platform, you need to already have a Paysera account and a payment gateway project in that account. You can find video instructions on how to complete both of these steps on our YouTube channel. After your account and payment collection project for the Paysera Tickets Platform have been created, you can start creating your event. Go to tickets.paysera.com and choose your language and your country. Then press Manage Events. Log in with your Paysera, Facebook, or Google account. Select your account. And once you are in, review our terms and conditions and agree with them to continue. To start creating an event, press Create Event. First, fill out the basic information about the event. Then type in the name that will be visible to the event goers. Choose the country and the location of your event. You can display it on the map if needed, or if it's an online event, don't forget to indicate that too. Then choose the date and time of your event. If you're unsure of the specific date or if the event occurs regularly like every Friday, you have the option to display an alternative date. Now add the description of your event. Add the organizer of the event and their contact details. Then select the business code type and type in the code. Select the category of your event. You should also choose your supported currency. Optionally, add the event tags to describe your event and find the right audience. Choose if you want your event to be visible to everyone or accessible with the link only. Finally, add an eye-catching image to represent your event and don't forget to press Save. After you save the information, move on to the Tickets part in the menu on top. Type in your ticket name, the available quantity, and the price. If that's all you need, you can move on. Alternatively, you can add additional ticket settings. Maybe a certain price is only available to students. These notes may be visible to everyone or only to the person checking the tickets. For example, maybe the cashier will have to check for student ID at the entrance. You can also limit how many tickets can be purchased for this price at once. After you create the paid ticket, the funds selection will appear in the top menu. Here you have to write your Paysera Payment Collection Project ID and password. You can find it by logging into your Paysera online banking at bank.paysera.com. Go to Projects and Activities, My Projects, copy the project ID. Then go to the project settings, General Settings, and copy the project password. That's it. You can review the additional available fields like the registration of the participants if needed. Otherwise, your event has been successfully created and you should see it on the Paysera Tickets website. Have any questions? Contact our support team via phone or email or look for answers on support.paysera.com. Thank you for using Paysera.